Today we are discussing RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims, Quantitative Aptitude Grand Test 49. So we'll move for the questions. Let's see the first one. First one is given for the data interpretation based on the line graph. So we'll see the questions and solve it. So 41 to 45 we have a questions based on this DI. So look at here they are given a three lines. One is a blue color, one is a orange color, one is a white color. Blue color is belongs to income tax and corporate tax is belongs to orange color. Excise tax is belongs to white color. And that too they are mentioned it is a diamond for income tax and orange it is square box is belongs to corporate and triangle is belongs to excise tax with including white line. So we'll move for the questions directly. Here the first one, what was the first question is find the ratio between total income tax, corporate tax, excise tax collected by the government in the year 2012. So total income tax, corporate tax, excise tax collected by the government in the year 2015. 2012 total value is required. 48 plus 32 80, 80 plus 44 it is 124. And next 2015 total value 48 plus 32 80, 80 plus 36 it is a 116. Both are divisible by 4. 4 3s are and 4 1s are and 4 2s are and 4 9s are. Then final ratio is 31 is to 29. Our option is D. And we'll move for the next question. The question number is 42. Total excise tax collected by the government in the year 2011, 12, 13. We need total excise tax 11, 12, 13 we required. Excise tax is belongs to white color. 28 plus 32, 60, 60 plus 42 which is equal to 1 or 2 which is less than the what percentage than total corporate tax of 2013, 14, 15 together. Corporate tax is orange color. 36 plus 48 is 84. 84 plus 36 it is a 120. 1 or 2 is less than the 120 which is how much less? 18. Then 18 by 120 into 100 to getting a percentage. Here 0 0 calculated. 18 by 20 cancel with 6. 6 2s are 6 3s are 2 to 10. 5 times 5 3s are how much percentage less? 15 percentage less. Our option is B. Next 43. Question number 43. In the year 2016 total income tax collected by government is 26 percentage of total corporate tax of 2011 to 2015 and ratio between the income tax, so corporate tax and excise tax of the 2016 they are given a ratio. We should distribute the ratio wise also. First of all we should calculate 26 percentage of corporate tax of 2011 to 2015. Corporate tax is belongs to orange color. Here 36 plus 44 80. 80 plus 36 which is equal to 116. 116 plus 48 plus 36 is 84. 84 plus 30 116 which is equal to 200. In 200 we need 26 percentage which is equal to 52. 26 twos are. Then it is equal to 13 parts. 13 is to 11 is to here 9 parts. 13 parts is equal to 52 means each one part is equal to 4 times. Then 13 plus 11 and 9 which is equal to 33 parts. 33 into 4. 33 fours are which is equal to 132 lakhs. That means in 2016 total income tax is collected by the 2016 is how many lakhs? 132 lakhs. Then our option is here E, 132 lakhs. 44th question. Total income tax collected by government, how much more than total excise tax collected by over the 5 years? Over the 5 years, we require the here. So total income tax and total excise tax. We need the total income tax and total excise tax. Income tax value is required is a blue line. 42 plus 48 is a 90. 90 plus 28 is 118. 118 plus 45 plus 32 which is equal to 77. 77 plus 118 which is equal to 195. And next here go for the total excise tax. Total excise tax is belongs to here the white line. 28 plus 32 60. 60 plus 42 1 or 2. 1 or 2 plus 32 plus 48 which is equal to 80 and here 182. 195 to 182 how many? What is the difference? What is the difference here? So 13 lakhs is the difference. And go for the next question. Find average of all three taxes collected by government in the year 2011 and 2015. So find average. Average of all three taxes collected by 2011, 2015. 2011 total value 42 plus 28, which is equal to 70. 70 plus 36, which is equal to 106. And next here 2015, 48 plus 32, 80. 80 plus 36, 116. This 116 is added to 106, which is equal to triple two. Triple two by how many years they are mentioned? 2 years mentioned by 2. Triple two by 2, which is equal to triple one. His option is C. And move for the next question. The question 46 is not based on the DA, they are even a single item question. We should go for the answer. Two container same quantity, clearly mentioned same quantity, filled with a mixture of milk and water. The proportion of milk and water in the each container is, the ratio is 1:3 and 3:4. The contents of two containers are emptied into single vessel. What is the proportion of milk and water? They clearly mention equal quantity. No need to take the quantity. Directly we'll go for milk and water, directly add it. So milk and water, here the milk is 1/4 and milk of the other part is 3/7. Both are added. And water is 3/4 plus 4/7. And we'll take a LCM. 7 1 is 7, 7 4 3 is 12, which is equal to here 7 1 is 7, it is a 19. And next 7 3 is 21, 4 4 is it is a 16. 16 plus 21, it is a 37. Or answer is 19 is to 37. Option is A. Move for the next question. The ratio between length and breadth of a rectangle is 3:2. If perimeter of hall is, perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 80, then 2 to 80, 40 times L plus B is equal to 40, and the ratio 3:2. Here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 40. Then 5 parts is equal to 40 means 1 part is equal to 8. 3 parts is equal to 24 and 2 parts is equal to 16. 16 plus 24 is equal to 40. Then find the area of square feet which side is equal to breadth of a rectangle. Breadth is 16. Then area of the square formula is 256. Is a square is equal to 256. Our answer is option A. Next one. Prashant have some property, jewelry, house, car and bike. In the year 2016, worth of jewelry, house, car and bike is 8 lakhs, 22.5 lakhs and 11.5 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So here the total how many lakhs? 22.5 plus 11.5, which is equal to here 22 plus 11, it is a 34. 34 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 10. Overall it is a 44 lakhs is expenditure total. And if the year 2017 worth of the jeweler and house increased by 25% and 40%, 8 lakhs 25% increase means it is a 2 lakhs increased, and 40% of 22.5, 22.5 40% means that is 22.5 4 times. 22.5 double value is 45. 45 double value is 90, that is a 9 lakhs. It is also increased. And 11.5 lakhs, which is decreased by how much percentage? 16 percentage. 16 into here the 11, 176. 16 5 are 80. 176 plus 80, which is equal to 184. We can write 1.84 lakhs. That is decrease. Decrease means we should write minus. And 15 percentage in 2 lakhs. In 2 lakhs, 15 twos are 30. That is we can write minus 0.3 lakhs. Minus 0.3 lakhs. It is a decreased by minus, and increase means we should write plus. 9 plus 2, it is a 11. Here is look at 1.84 minus 0.3. Finally, we can write 2.14. It is a remove. Minus 2 cancel. Extra 0.14 is also removing. Finally, we'll get here the 8.86. This is a 8.86 increase. 44 plus 8.86, which is equal to 52.86. What is the question they are asking? Find the house. Worth of the house is approximately what percentage of over total worth of the property in which year? 2017. Total property is now it is 52.86. Now worth of the house is 22.5 previously in 2016, but present 9 lakhs is increased, which is equal to 31.5 into 100. We need a percentage. Look at the options. All the options are near to 60 percentage. Look at here. So we'll take 50 percentage. 50 percentage of 52, which is equal to 26. In 26, extra we need a 5. The 5 means we need a this percentage. But 10 percentage will take only 5 will be get. 5.2 will get. That's why this is equal to 50 percentage. And our answer is more than 50% is clearly near to the 60%. Clearly near to the 60%, only one option is available. The option is what? B here. And move for the next question. From a school group of selected debate competition in which for 4 boys and 3 girls, if here 4 boys and 3 girls and got first prize in this competition, find the probability one boy gets first prize. So overall 7 members, out of 7 members only one person will get. Here the one person or two persons, two persons are selected. 2 person means we can write 4C2, then 7C2. Here one boy gets first prize, 4C1 into 3C1 or 4C2 into 3C0. One boy is mandatory. So one boy, one girl. Either 2 boys, no girls. Then we'll simplify. 4C1 value is 4, 3C1 value is 3, and 4C1 2 value 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 6, and into 1. Here 7C2 value 7 into 6 2 by 1, it is equal to 21. Here 4 3s are 12, either cancel it, 3 1s are 3 2s are and 3 1s are. And 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 2 value 6, 6 by 7. Our option is E, which is equal to 6 by 7. And move for the next question. 50th. The age of the father is 30 years more than the son's age. 10 years hence, the father's age will become 3 times the son's age at the time. What is the son's present age in the year? Father age to son's age, how many years gap? 30 years gap. It is a ratio is 3:1. It is a 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 30 years and 1 part is equal to 50 years. This ratio is belongs to after the 10 years. After the 10 years, son's age is 15 years means present age is how many years? 5 years. Our option is B. Next question. The average age of 13 persons is 36 years. If the age of one more person is added, 14 members are there. Now it is the average is decreased by how? Half. Half decrease means it is become a 35.5. It is a zero point 0.5 and it is 1. 1 will be multiplied to here and 0.5 will be multiplied here. And decreased means we should go for the difference. 35.5 one value is 35.5. 13 into 0.5 value is 6.5. 6.5 is removing from the 35.5. We'll get a what is the years? 29 years. Then our option is A. Next, ABC started a business with investment of 40,500, 45,000, 60,000 respectively. C taken back 15,000 after the 6 months, whereas A invested more 4,500. How much more will get C than A from the annual profit of 56,100? So look at here, the A investment is 40,500. 405, either we can take 00, and here is 45,000 second person and third person is investment 60,000. And after the 6 months, till now is a 6 months completed, take it like a 6 months completed and remaining 6 months is left. Here after the 6 months, A invested more 4,500, his investment became a 4,500, and B investment is nothing changed. C taken back 15,000 means his investment became a 45,000, and here the place, and here is also not changes his investment for the next 6 months. It is a 6 months, it is a 6 months. Overall values are here, the total investment time will be, I am not writing because it's not required. So 40500 and 4500, it is become a 855 and it is a 900 and it is a 1050, and cancel the numbers which are going to cancel. Here the 8, so it is a, all the numbers are cancelled with 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 5 ones are and 5 ones are 5 eights are and 0 and 5 twos are 510. Here then 170, 180 plus 21 which is equal to 390. 390 is added to 171 which is total equal to 561 part. 561. 561 parts is equal to 56,100. We need what is the value? How much more C will get A? C will get A means from 171 to here the 210. What is the difference? Here the difference is 29. 29 to 10 extra which is equal to how many parts? 39 parts. 39 parts is equal to how much rupees? 3,900. Our option is what is the option? D option. Then move for the next question. Find the length of each train. The train which is fast crosses the lower train in how many seconds? 36 seconds. In which direction? Same direction in parallel lines. Then 36 km per hour, 26 km per hour. Difference is 10 km per hour. and this is a kilometer per hour, this is a seconds. This kilometer per hour convert into meter per seconds. That's why we are multiplying with 5 by 18. 18 how many times? 2 times. 2 5s are 10, 10 10s are 100. And two train lengths are equal means first train length is 50, second train length is also 50, and one train length is equal to how many meters? 50 meters. Question number 54. PQ are working on a task. PQ start work and completely 1/5 of the task in 3 days. P plus Q complete a 1/4 of the work in 3 days means the total work is completed in how many days? 12 days. And R completed here the 3 by 4th work in 9 more days means E is also completed how many days? 12 days. And P efficiency is 50% more than Q means their efficiency is what? 3:2. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Total efficiency value is 5. 12 5s are 5 into 12, and then we need the only P value, P individual value, then which is dividing with 3. 3 to 12 4 times, and 4 5s are 20. That means P alone will be completed total work in how many days? 20 days. R alone will be completed total work in 12 days. We need the P and R together complete a work in how many days? Then x into y, x plus y, that is 32. Here 4 3s are 4 8s are, and 4 2s are, and 4 5s are. 5 3s are 15. 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5 days. Our option is here A. Next, we have a simplification based questions. Here root of 5625. Root of 5625 value is here 75 into third root of 4913, which is equal to 17. 25 percentage of 400. 25 percentage we can write 1 by 4. 4 4 will be cancelled, which is equal to 10. And 25500 by x. And here the 0 0 will be cancelled, and cancel with 5 also. 5 5s are 510, and 525s are. And 17 to 51 3 times, and 30. And again cancel with here the 5. Here the value is 5 5s are, and 5 6s are, and 5 6s are. That means x is equal to will get 6 by 5. Then our option is none of this. Next, 1 6 by 7, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 by 7 as it is. We should convert the remaining also. We can write 11 by 6, and we should write 9 by 5. And dividend I am writing a into 76 are 420, 420 plus 9 429, and here the numerator is 70, which is equal to 1 by 5 into x. Here cancel the values. Here 5 5 will be cancelled, and cancel with here 3 3 3s are, and 3 1s are, 3 4s are, and 3 3s are. And look at 11 into 13 is equal to 143, and 3 how many times? 2 times, and 0 0 cancel. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means x is equal to what is answer? 5. Our option is E. Next one, root of 576. Root of 576 value 24 into 48 plus 32 into 2116. 2116 we can write here is 46 minus root of 1296 value 36 into 52, which is equal to question mark. And we'll find an answer here. 24 48 we can write 24 into 2. 24 24 is a 576. 576 2 is a 500, double value is 1000. 76 double value is so 152. Overall it is a value is become a 1152. Plus here 32 into 46 we should multiply. 32 I am converting to 16. 46 I am converting to 92. Will multiply. 16 into 9 is equal 1440, 1440. 16 2s are 32, which is equal to 1472. Minus here is also 36 we should convert into 18. 52 we can write it into 1.4. 18 into 100, 1800. 18 for the value is 72, which is equal to 1872. Look at here 72 72 cancel. 14 is removing from the 18, will get minus 4. Minus 4 is removing from the 11, will get 7. Then 752 our answer. Then which option is? B option. Question number 58. 124 percentage of 75. We can write 124 into 3 by 4 plus 136 into 5 by 4, which is equal to 256 plus x. And cancel the values. Here 4 3s are 12, and 4 4s are. and 34 5s are, which is equal to 170, and 4 3s are and 4 1s are, 31 3s are value is 93, and 256 plus x from 170 plus 93, which is equal to 263. From 263 256 will be removing, then we'll get x value is what is the number 7. Our option is D. Here next one, 4 1 by 5 plus 3 1 by 5. 4 1 by 5 we can write 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus x, which is equal to 8 plus 1 by 3. Here is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 cancel. 4 plus 3 value is 7. 7 is removing from the 8, which is equal to 1, and plus 1 by 5 comes to, it is a minus 1 by 5 is equal to x. 1 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 4 by 5. Our option is C. 63866 dividing 31. Here 6386 dividing with 31 plus 825 divided by 33 plus 9720 divided with what is the number 216, and calculate the values. 31 2s are and 31 6s are, and 33 cancel. 11 3s are, 11 7s are 77, and 11 5s are, and 3 to 75 25 times, and cancel with here 6 6 36 are and 6 1s are, remaining value is 37, 6 6 are and 6 2s are 0, and again cancel with 9 9 4s are and 9 1s are, remaining value 8 and 0, and 180 by 4, which is equal to 45. 45 plus 25 70, 70 plus 206, which is equal to 276. Our option is B. And move for the next question. 61, 1260 is divisible by divided by 4, and here is also divided by 3.5, and here the divided by 3, and here the divided by 2.5, and here the divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2 value is 6, then our wrong number is what? 8. Next, 3397, here 566, here the removing 1 and divisible by what is the number? Here the 6, and here is also removing 1 and divisible by what is the number? 5, and here is also removing 1 and divided by 4. Here is also removing 1 divided by 3. 27 by 3, which is equal to 9. Our wrong number is option A. Next, we'll take a differences. 98 to 140, difference is 42, and here the difference is 46, and here the difference is 14 plus 38, which is equal to 52, and here the difference is 60, and here the difference. Look at the difference of the difference. Here the 4 added, here the 6 added, here the 8 added, here should be 10 added, and here the difference is 70, and 298 plus 70, 8 plus 0 8, but we are getting a 6, that means wrong number is, what is the number? 366. Question number 64, 144 to 167, difference is 23, and here the difference is 26, and here the difference is 29, and here the difference is 32. Here the difference is, check it, here the common difference is 333, and look at 222 plus 32, 254. Our wrong number is 255. And go for the next question. Here question number is 65, 129 to 156, difference is here 27, and here the difference is 64, and here the difference is 125, and here the difference is 216, and here the difference is 343. These are all cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. Then 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4, but they are given 5. The wrong number is 905. Question number is 66. 15 into 14, which is equal to 210. This is, we can write 35 6. 6 30 is a 180, 6 5 is a 30, which is equal to 210. And minus 41 is required. Here the minus minus and divided by 15. Here the divided by 15. Then final factors are 5 7s are and 5 3s are and 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Here coming to the next, 2 20s are, value is 40. Then 40 we can write 8 comma 5, which is divisible by 2, and final factors are 4 comma 2.5. And comparing the values here, 2 by 5 to 2.5, 2.5 is bigger, and 7 by 3, 3 4 is 12, it is a bigger. And here comparing to 2 by 5 to 4, this is also bigger, and 7 by 3, here value is 3 to the 6 3, it is also bigger. Then less than means x less than y. Our option is what? C. Next 67, x square minus 7x is equal 0, x is equal to, we can write 7, and 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 factors are, we can write 3 comma 2, 3 plus 2 5, 3 2s are 6, and here is divided by 2, then final factors are minus minus. Here is comparing to negative values, positive value is always bigger, then we can write x greater than y. Question number 68. 7x minus 4y is equal to 40. 8x plus 8y is equal to 8. Here we can write 7x minus 4y, which is equal to 40, and 4x plus 4y, which is equal to 4, and all are added. Here cancel. 7x plus 4x is equal to 11x, and 40 plus 4 value 44. Then x is equal to what? 4. Then x is equal to 4. We are substituted. 4 4 the value is equal to 16. 16 is removing from the 4, which is equal to minus 12. Minus 12 is divided by 4. We will get y is equal to minus 3. Then 4 and minus 3. Y value is negative, x value is positive, means x greater than y. Our option is what? A. Next one, 7x square minus 16x minus 15 is equal to 0. 7 15 ja value is 105. We can write 21 5 ja, and here, and look at, before solving, one condition is there, minus 15 is a constant, minus 12 is a constant. Our answer is always what? Cannot be determined. No need to solve for this question. X square plus 5x minus 126 is equal to 0. Here is, we can write 14 9 ja, here plus 14 minus 9, but final factors are minus 14 comma 9. Here is 98. 98 we can write 14 comma 7. Here the minus minus final factors, and comparing the value, minus 14 equal, and minus 14 to minus 7, minus 7 is a bigger. And look at here, 9 to 4 minus 14, it is a positive value is bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than, means our relation is what? Cannot be established. Next, we have a direction 71 to 75. Here the months they are given, Jan to June, and number of items they are mentioned, which are the number of items are sold. In this, here the how much percentage profit they are getting here. The given data shows the number of items sold by shopkeeper and how much percentage profit. In this 2050 percentage items profit means remaining 50 percentage loss. In 2260 percentage profit means 40 percentage loss. And we'll go for the questions. What is the first one? So here all items have a same cost price for same month, no item sold at cost price. And what was the ratio of loss item sold in January and profit item sold in March? So go for the question. We need Jan. Jan we need here the loss. Here 2000, here the 50 percentage loss means remaining is 1000 is loss and sold at cost price. And profit items sold in March. Profit items in March, here is 75 percentage profit. 75 percentage of 1800. So 50 percentage is 900, 25 percentage 450. 450 removing from the 1800, which is equal to 1350. Here the 0 cancel. 2 sorry 5 20s and 5 2s and 5 7s. Here the answer is 20 is to 27. Our answer is C. And move for the next question. Here, and which month number of loss items is maximum? So which month last item is maximum means, look at, in 2250 profit percentage only 33 1 by 3 percentage, remaining 66 2 by 3 percentage profit. And comparing to remaining values of the months, and number of items sold value and cost value 2250 is bigger, and in this last value is 2 by 3 1, that means May is our answer. But as per the option there is no May, then our answer is what? None of this. Look at next. What is the average number of items sold in profit in all months except Jan? Except to Jan, remaining all months value, profit value is required. Look at 60 percentage of 2200, which is equal to 1320, plus 75 percentage of 1800, which is equal to 1350, plus next 40 percentage of 175. Here the profit value is required. So 175 double is 350. 350 double is 700. Next, 33 1 by 3 percentage of 2250. 33 1 by 3 percentage we can write 1 by 3. 3 will be dividing 3 7s and 3 5s 0. 3 7s and 15 3 5s. And next, 42 percentage of 2500. I'm taking 25% of 4200. 4200 half value 2100. 2000 half value here. So 2100 half value here 1050. Then here the how many number of months are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divide with 5. So totally add it and divide with 5 here. So look at 1300 here the 1300 13 and 7 and 7 here the 20 and here is also 20 20 plus 20 which is equal to 4000 4000 plus 1000 which is equal to 5000 and 50 plus 50 plus 50 150 plus 20 which is equal to 170 divide with what is the number 5 and 5 ones are 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are here is our answer is 1034. Your option is what? A. And move for the next question. Question number 74. What was the total number of loss items sold by in a total given month? Loss value is required. In 2050 percentage loss means which is equal to 1000 and 2240 percentage loss means which is equal to 880 and 25 percentage loss means which is equal to 450 and next 40 percentage profit then 40 percentage value 700 700 is removing will get 1050 this is the last value 33 1 by 3 percentage one third of the 2250 750 750 is removing from the which is a 2250 which is equal to 1500 is a loss and 25 percentage of 4200 which is equal to 1050 1050 is removing from the 2500 will get 1450 this is the last value and totally we should add it 450 plus 50 1500 1500 plus 1500 3000 3000 plus 1000 4000 4000 plus 1000 5000 and 5000 plus extra we should add it 800 plus 400 which is equal to 1200 and plus 50 plus 80 we should add it 130 and totally we should add it we'll get what is answer 6330. Then move for the next question. Number of items sold in loss by the shopkeeper on March is what percentage of that of in June. So last value is required in March. March value is 1800. In 1800, 75 percentage profit means 25 percentage is loss. Is that of in is what percentage of that of in June? June value is 2500. In 2500, 42 percentage profit means remaining 58 percentage loss into 100 and cancel the values here. So here the double zero cancel 25 here is 25 will be cancelled 2 29s and 2 9s and here 900 by 29 900 by 29 means 29 to 9 900 just we should think about 29 is equal to 30 30 to 900 30 times nearly 30 what was the option is that is answer and more than 30 and near to 30 that is only one option is available that is our option is 31 percentage. Next, we have a quantity based questions. Quantity 1 and quantity 2. We have to comparing the values with the quantity and quantity 1. 2. Rahul invest 4500 in simple interest scheme for 4 years. After 4 years, he will get 7200 rupees as a amount. Then find the rate of interest. This is amount and this is what principal. Total interest is 2700. In 2700, we will get 4500 for 4 years. We need rate of interest. So we should simplify here. Then rate of interest calculate here the double zero cancel 9 5s are 9 3s are 5 4s are 20 20 5s are 5 3s are is equal to how much percentage 15 percentage this is equal to quantity 1 and look at the quantity 2 difference between a simple interest and compound interest it is a 90 rupees on 4000 r square by 100 or r by 100 square this is the value and look at here the 100 square value 10,000 10,000 and 3 zeros cancel 1 zero will be there and here 900 by 4 which is equal to r square 900 value of the root value 30 root value of 4 is 2 30 by 2 is equal 15 then here is also r value will get what 15 percentage here the rate of interest and second quantity rate of interest both are equal quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2 and go for the next question. Here, ratio of the ages of A to B is 2 is to 3. After 12 years, ratio is 14 is to 19. So, the age after the how many years? 5 years are required. Look at 2 is to 3 and 14 is to 19. 2 to 14, 12 parts gap, 3 to 19, which is, so 16 parts gap. The parts wise not equal. That's why the whatever the gap is, 14 is to 19 is there. That is the gap will be multiplied, which is equal to here 5 parts, 5, 10 and 5, 15, 5 reason. And 10 to 14 is a 4 parts gap and 15 to 19 4 parts gap. 4 parts is equal to 12 years. One part is equal to 3 years. Then we should find out the a value after the 5 years. So 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 5, which is equal to 35 years. That is the age. And ratio of the ages of second quantity, and ratio of the ages of A to B is 6 is to 5. After the 4 years, then what is the ratio? 31.5 years. What is the age present? Average age of the A and B after the 4 years is 31.5. After the 4 years, 31.5 means present value is what? 27.5. 27.5 double, it is a 6 is to 5. 27.5 double, 27 double 54, which is equal to 55. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 parts is equal to 55. 1 part is equal to 5. We need whose age? A present age. 6 5 is 30. So 30 is smaller than the 35. Then quantity 1 is greater than the quantity 2. Our option is what? A. Next, quantity 1. A milkman has 45 liters of milk and water in the ratio 5 is to 4. In 45 liters, 5 is to 4 means it is a 9 parts, 9 to 5, 45, 5 parts. It is a 25 and it is a 20. Overall, it is a 25 liters milk and 20 liters water. 10 liters of water is added, then what is the percentage of water in the final mixture? We'll go for the quantity 1. Here the final mixture is 45 liters plus 10 liters, which is equal to 55 liters. Out of 55 liters, what is the water value? Initially it is a 20 liters is water is there, overall is a 30 liters into 100, and we'll cancel the numbers here. So 5 will be divisible to these numbers. 5 11 and 5 6 11 to 100 9 times 9 6 approximately how much percentage? 54 percentage. And go for the quantity 2. Here quantity 2, they are given a vessel contains 40 liters of mixture, water and acid in the ratio 3 is to 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 parts, 5 to 40, 8 parts. And if 20 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by water, and finally it is equal to how many liters? 40 liters again. Because 20 is removing and replacing by water. Here the 8 3s are 24 and 8 2s are 16. Here 20 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced water. Overall is 36 liters is a acid. And what was the percentage acid in the final mixture? We need the acid. Acid we are not adding. 24 into 100. Here cancel the numbers. Here 0 0 cancel. 4 6 6 into 10 60 percentage. 60 percentage is bigger than the 54 percentage. Then quantity 1 is smaller than the quantity 2. And we can write quantity 2 is bigger than the quantity 1. Option is C. Quantity 1. A and B started a business with the investment of X and X plus 1000. Here the X and X plus 1000, their investment, and their profits are B profit is 1100 and A profit is 600. Here the double zero cancel. Here the 6 parts, here the 11 parts. And X is equal to 6 parts means remaining parts is belongs to 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 2000 and 1 part is equal to 200. Then X parts is equal to how many? 1200, which is equal to 6 parts. 6 parts is equal to 1200. That means A investment is equal to 1200, which is belongs to quantity 1. But quantity 2 is already given 1600. Then A investment is 1200. 1200 is less than the 1600. Then quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Then our option is what? C. Next one, quantity 1. Cost price of the table is 1800. 1800. And after the discount of 10 percentage is earned a profit of 15 percentage. 15 percentage profit means 115. This is the selling price. This selling price is generated after the discount of 10 percentage. 10 percentage MRP value is 100 and discounted value is 90. Here the cancel the double zeros. Double zero cancel. 90 20 is a, and 20 into 115, which is equal to 2300. 2300. This is the market price of the quantity 1. And coming to quantity 2, here if the ratio of the market price of the cost price article 5 is to 4 and the shopkeeper after the discount 120 value he gets a profit of how much percentage? 20 percentage. So find the cost price of the article. Here the market price and here the cost price and here the selling price. Cost price is I will take, and market price both are I will take 50 and 40 and will take 20 percentage profit. 20 percentage profit on 40. So 10 percentage profit is for 20 percentage profit means it is a 48. And look at here the discount is 120. Here the discount is how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to 120. We need what? What is the cost price? 2 parts is equal to 120 into 60 and here is also multiply with 60. 60 40 is a 2400. Here the cost price is 2400, here the cost price is 2300. Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Our option is what? C.